This part's not been finished blasting. They did a partial blast on it, but they didn't actually rinse the part off. And you can see there is still glass bead left on this part. There's glass bead in multiple locations. Even if you're doing a part just to show someone how it looks, you should always rinse the part off when you're done. That gets all of the extra media and stuff off. Most of our machines actually have a rinse down hose inside where you can actually hose the part off. If you don't have a rinse down hose, you can actually take the part, use like a dump tank, just something big enough that you can drop it down in, slosh it back and forth a few times, and you can pull it back out. We always recommend air drying with compressed air just to make sure you've got everything off. Any of the holes that you have in here, threaded holes, you can always blow air directly down into them. It brings that media that's in there back out because it doesn't hard pack in there. One of the other things that can happen when you're blasting, and I actually had this happen to a part that I did, we blasted a part, we rinsed it down, we dried it, we set the part out. Next day we came in and the part was turning, it was a stainless steel part, started turning brown. Through a little bit of research, we realized that our pH level wasn't right in the machine that we were using. You can buy the little pH testing strips and just dip it in the water. If you've got a very high pH level, it's going to affect the outcome of the part. It may not turn it brown, it could turn it any color imaginable. But if you have parts that are starting to change color after blasting, check the pH level in your machine. You can go to a local hardware store and buy the pH testing strips, and those same places will have a pH up or a pH down you can add to the water. That's our tip for today as far as cleaning your parts once you're done.